You have all witnessed horrible scenes where developments are happening in waterways that are causing the flooding events in Accra. Accra is a low-lying area, and as such, there are a lot of flood-prone areas, which requires that certain areas must be protected from development. Unfortunately, that is not being done. Obviously, the Assembly have been trying hard to prevent encroachers, but they also inform us that there are some security situations, security concerns that are beyond them, which they've called upon us to assist. But because of indiscipline and irresponsibility on the part of we the citizens, government always have to spend a lot of money to desilt and dredge drainage channels, which comes at a huge cost to us. It's a two-pronged issue: the responsibility on the part of the district assemblies, and also the responsibility on the part of we, the individuals.